Hi everyone, welcome back to Wednesday Moves. This is episode 14 of our trading education series. In the previous episodes, we talked about mindset, risk, and execution. But none of that matters if your strategy is untested. Today we'll learn how to properly backtest and journal so you can trade with the data instead of hope. Why testing matters? Well, many beginners start trading after watching a few videos. They see one setup work twice and they assume it will always work. This is dangerous thinking. Backtesting helps you understand how a strategy behaves over hundreds of situations, not just a few lucky trades. What is backtesting? Well, backtesting means applying your trading rules to historical market data. You pretend you are trading in the past and record what would have happened. This helps you see whether your approach has real potential. Types of backtesting. Well, there are different ways to backtest. Manual testing means scrolling through charts and making setups one by one. Replay mode. It allows you to stimulate live trading. Spreadsheets. It helps you organize results. All of these are useful if done honestly. When you backtest, every details matter. You should record where you entered, where you placed your stop, where you took profit, and why you took the trade. This creates clarity later. Sample trade log. A good journal is simple. It doesn't need to look fancy. What matters is consistency. Over time, this record becomes your personal learning database. Why journaling works? Most traders forget their mistakes. Journaling prevents that. When you review your notes, you start seeing patterns in your behavior. This awareness is what leads to improvement. Common backtesting errors. Like many traders unknowingly cheat during backtesting. They skip bad trades, they change rules halfway, they only keep good examples, and this creates false confidence. How many trades to test? Well, testing 10 trades is not enough. One lucky streak can mislead you. Try to collect at least 50 to 100 trades. This gives more reliable information. Evaluating results. Don't focus only on win rate. A strategy can win only 40% of the time and still be profitable. Look at risk reward, drawdowns, and consistency. Improving your strategy. Well, use your results to make small improvements. Remove setups that perform poorly. Strengthen rules that work well. And avoid changing everything at once. Simple weekly review. Once a week, review your journal calmly. Don't judge yourself emotionally. Just observe and learn. This habit builds professionalism. You don't need expensive software. TradingView, Excel, or Notion are more than enough for most traders. Choose simplicity over complexity. Here's a key takeaway. Backtesting gives you evidence, journaling gives you awareness. Together, they build confidence that is based on data, not emotion. That's it for today's lesson. If this episode helped you understand how to improve through testing and review, consider subscribing to continue learning step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode of Wednesday Moves.